Imagine wanting to compare the same feature for different vehicles at the same time. I'm going to show you how to do that. We can enter the search term, then check the result list, and either add videos to a queue or save them in a playlist. Then hop on over to My Screens and see the playlist created. In addition, it is possible to use the compare mode. Use compare on the left, select the playlist, and pick the videos you want to compare. You can then play videos at the same time, take a screenshot, and even download the comparison file so you can share it with your colleagues.